In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share spreadsheets with your team in Google Sheets. This process is simple yet incredibly powerful for collaborative work. Let's dive right into it. First, once you have your spreadsheet open in Google Sheets, you'll notice a button labeled Share located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this button to begin sharing your document. Now, a dialog box will appear, offering you a few options to share your spreadsheet with others. Here, you'll see a field where you can add individual email addresses. If you're working with a project group, it might be more efficient to use a group email address so everyone on the team can be added in one step. Once you've entered the email addresses, you're presented with a choice. You can set each person's access level to either viewer, commenter, or editor. If your goal is collaboration, choosing editor will allow others to make changes directly to the spreadsheet. This is crucial if you want your team members to actively contribute by adding or editing data. You also have the option to notify them of the access you've given by enabling the Notify People option before clicking that Share button to finalize. If you want to save time and ensure everyone knows right away, it's generally a good idea to notify them. Alternatively, there's another method to allow access, which involves changing the general access settings. By default, the access is set to Restricted, meaning only specified people can view, comment, or edit. But you can switch it to Anyone with the link. This approach makes it easy to share, since anyone who receives that link can access your document. A word of caution here, this option can be risky. If the link is shared unintentionally or reaches someone uninvited, they can access and edit your spreadsheet. So, use this method wisely, particularly in situations where data sensitivity is a concern. Finally, before wrapping up, take a moment to ensure your sheets and individual cell data are protected, especially if the spreadsheet contains sensitive or critical information. To do this, navigate to the Data menu at the top of your screen, then select Protect Sheets and Ranges. You'll see a panel that lists all the cells and sheets with protection. Review this list to adjust or remove protections as needed. By managing these settings, you can safeguard certain data or formulas from being altered by your collaborators, maintaining the integrity of critical data. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sharing your Google Sheets with your team effectively. Whether you opt for specific email invites or a broader link sharing method, you now know how to control the editing and viewing rights with confidence. Happy collaborating!